Just look at the highway. Right now, I start fret. Honestly, I fret because my mother just drive out God I work. But just to know how for act. When I use them something here and Jano, yo, so me know how the area look and rain and fall, people. Yo. Alright, so. Oh yeah, me get one TV. But, serious matters. I'm a new person in the US, and I just moved from Missouri right now. And basically, me get an alarm from my phone, something say tornado warning. And me never experienced them something in Jamaica. So me just decided to turn on my camera, go find the news channel, catch the footage for now, and for myself, just in case if anything happen. Yeah. And my mother just left out Ghana work a while ago. First, we get the one from my phone, she did at the bathroom of bed, say, warning until 6:30. She drive out, gonna work. But kind of know say rain, shine, storm, snow, no care what. When you live in America, you have to go to work. I know. She's supposed to reach her by 6:30, so I call her 6:30 and ask her to reach her work. And yeah. Mr. Check up on the news and see what go on. I don't know. I light in a flash. I don't know, yeah, man. Honestly, and next thing, so when the rain a fall or anything, this is how the damn highway look right there, so. Where the camera moves, so. How the highway look. It's how the highway look. Yo, I just don't know how to react, I don't know how to expect, but look on the highway, but just see the highway while I go mother for drive. What time? I want to call mommy right now. I don't know how to act, honestly. I just upload a video from my YouTube channel a while ago. That's one different something. Different from a vlogging thing, that is just a mackerel thing. Next, my little series and never go on. But I'm not talk about that. Oh boy. 6:30 I call her. 6:30. I guarantee 6:30. I don't know. I well one call her. Honestly. I well one call her right now. I just don't know what to do. Let me off. The place get bright. Just look at the highway. Right now, I start fret. Honestly, I fret because my mother just drive out God I work. But just to know how for act. When I use them something here and Jano, yo, so me know how the area look and rain and fall, people. Yo, I don't even know how for act right now. This is. Jano, my phone name. I don't know how for act right now. Don't know how for act, but don't know how for act right now, honestly. Outside look good to me. Right now, show me there. Show me the outer door, alright. The rain now fall. I don't know we Jamaica. We love come out when any little thing I go on. Just from fast. No care what. I could have lightning, thunder, flash. Me no see no backside. Alright, me I go back in. You see that? Me gone in. Me no used to them something. Me no know though. What time? Alright, me I call mommy ask her she reach work safe. Honestly. Because me can't. Call no mommy answer phone. Oh boy. Hello? Ame? Yeah, you reach? Yeah, you reach good? You reach alright? Everything good? Alright, because for this. Yeah, I thought like it start rain now too. Well, I'm just that series still, alright, but there I watch it. It start rain out of the door now. Alright. Alright then. Start rain out of the door. Heavy rain like a storm, alright. Yeah. To me, I watch the TV, man. Me, I keep up, man. Alright, later. Alright, sir. Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright. Alright, so mommy reach her work safely and she call me. Me I look out the door right now and me I say, me I reach out, so to tell you, man, me reach out the door now and me I say, the rain a clap out the door. I don't know which Jamaican staring either, but love going at the madness, you know, so I don't know, so me I go and pull the door, hope them blow me away. Me I post this right and see that now? Should I go out in it or not? Nah, I'm a good. So, hopefully everything goes well. I pray for everybody out there in the rain and I drive. Keep yourself safe. Yeah. Tune in back in a couple of minutes. You know what I mean? Update. This is my reaction to it. I never experienced nothing like this before. So I capture the moment and post up my channel to have a memory. I'm going to share it with the owner. So, yeah. Open and watch me. Body out there, Jamaica. You don't know the feeling already. Cause that like a storm out there. Alive, me I tell. That like a storm, but yeah. Right now, live. Guess what now, people? Out of the bright as a day, born, watch it. And yesterday rain just a fall a while ago. And thunderstorm morning, watch it. Like nothing never did that go on like a normal day. I just have to go water puddle. But yeah. I saw man, I go on. Going back in my little habitat, yeah. Well, that was my reaction to it. As I upload this video, just have a little memory and for sure how I react to it because my first time I experienced something like this. But I don't know if it's over it or not, but don't know if I get up the video for just putting up purposes. If anything happen, yeah, and blah 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 and blah. But thanks for checking out the video. Take your time out on the day. Taking the time out to check out my video and yeah. See you all in the next video. Consider subscribing to the channel, yeah, the man Jamaican thing there, but anyways, peace. I'm gone for now.